I think manufacturing is pretty boring. It's just like not my type.
Have you been to a manufacturing plant? Have you seen?
Yeah, it's stinky.
Yeah. Stinky? Which one's stinky?
The dog food one.
My name is Kendra McQuistion. I work at Nestle Purina Pet Care, and I am a dry pet packaging team leader.
My name is Callan Jepson. I work for Nestle Purina here in Clinton, Iowa. I am the product safety supervisor in the quality department.
I'm Andrea Weller. I work at Clysar. I am the occupational health nurse and benefits administrator, and I also work in HR.
My name is Zach Am. I work at Clysar LLC. I am the finishing technical operator.
My name is Kyle Lukritz. I work at Big River Packaging, and I am a data engineer.
My name is Jennifer Irvine. I work at Big River Packaging. My job title is Customer Service Manager.
My name is Peyton McLean. I work at Air Control. I am an HVAC service technician, and I've been here since 2021.
My name is Daniel Stewart. I work for Air Control. I've been with the company for 5 years, and I am our head installer, and I also help out on the service side and doing running calls.
My name is Billy DeLury. I've been here for about a year, and I am a welder and fabricator here at Air Control.
My name is Kaylee Kettleson. I work for Air Control Inc. I'm a welder fabricator here, and I've been here about 2.5 years.
Hey, my name's Colin. I'm with AdCraft Printwear here in Clinton, Iowa. My parents started the company 51 years ago, so technically I've been with the company my whole life.
I want to be a welder.
I want to be a firefighter.
Just something with biology. Professional soccer player.
I want to be a marine biologist.
I would like to be a doctor or a coach.
I would like to be a social media marketer for sports.
I want to be a doctor in sports medicine.
I want to be an NFL player or an electric engineer.
I want to be a real estate agent or something with law.
No. I would like to live in Utah or Arizona. Not really.
Yeah, I think it's just a really good environment and just a lot of the people are friendly.
No, I want to live in San Diego, but I have an idea of coming back.
I think it's making stuff.
I think manufacturing is when they use materials to make things that you can use in everyday life.
I don't know, from factories?
China.
I think it just kind of depends. I think that countries all make stuff, and it kind of just depends what their specialty is.
Dog food and cornstarch.
I think we make plastic and packaging and animal food.
Our company makes a variety of dog food, cat food, treats. Clinton's actually a facility that makes some of the most specific vet diets and things like that in the world. We do things that other places don't do here.
So we make shrink film at Clysar. These are some of the products that our shrink film wraps.
Film is used to wrap many products such as candy canes, furnace filters, pizzas, a lot of things you see on the store shelves.
Big River Packaging makes folding boxes. Most of our customers are bakeries or home bakers or hobbyists that put their cupcakes, cakes, treats, cookies, whatever little gifts in our boxes and sell them or give them away.
It's basically heating, so your furnace, air conditioner, ventilation, anything that pushes air in your house, that's what we work on.
So what we do here mainly is embellishment of garments, whether that be embroidery, screen printing. We do hats, t-shirts, sweatshirts, outerwear, anything basically with a logo on it. We do that here. We also do design work, branding for companies, online fulfillment, anything that basically centers around your brand or logo, we help you with.
No, it's just not something that I would want to do.
Yes, because a welder works in manufacturing, and I just think it'd just be fun to melt metal and stuff.
No, I don't think so because I don't feel like working in like a building a lot.
I don't think I would. It doesn't seem like something I would like to do.
Manufacturing, a lot of people think it's a dirty, grindy work environment, but here at Clysar, we literally, it's clean, it's climate controlled. A lot of our products go on food, so we're food safety, so it's very safe here as well.
Before working here, I got to see quite a few like human food facilities and assumed that dog food would not be necessarily the most enjoyable place to work or the cleanest. And it actually really surprised me. It's cleaner than any other facility I've been in. It's not just pet food or dog food, it's food.
You never think that making things out of paperboard or just paper would be interesting and fun, but there's so many things that go into manufacturing any type of product. Like when I was younger, there's no thought of going into manufacturing. Manufacturing was pushing a button on a machine several times a day, but that is not the case at all. Every day can be different. There's several other jobs that are involved in a manufacturing environment.
I like keeping up on the latest technologies of our industry, different ways to embellish garments, all the new equipment. I really enjoy working with the crew here, whether it be from the design team to the production. We're always working on new things. Every day is something different, maybe even a challenge with the design or a print.
The thing I love most about my job is it's a different thing I get to do every single day. It's not the same repetitive stuff every day. So it's something new, different tasks that I can handle and learn from as I go through each day.
I definitely didn't think I was going to end up going into welding. I more thought I was going to end up being like an artist or something like that because I'm big into art, which is part of welding. So it's another reason why I like it so much.
Maybe a school about for manufacturing, like a trade school.
I feel like I would go to like a college or do some research or see if I could find somebody who works at a manufacturing place.
Yeah, I would probably question people like welders because I know welders from my family, and I would probably question them about it.
If you're interested in a job in manufacturing, start with your close circle. Reach out to your parents, friends, your family members. Your circle is going to be your best influence.
I would send students to local businesses or someone that they know that works in manufacturing and just pick their brain and ask for advice.
If you're not sure, get in early and experience some of it. Reach out maybe to some of your family, maybe your favorite teacher, ask them for some advice. There's a lot of people in this town that work in facilities like this, and there's a lot of options out there to get your questions answered.
Checking out some of these companies, trying to get into some of these companies and kind of just seeing what their processes are, from the sales to design work, all the way to the products being manufactured and shipped. I would suggest actually trying to make a visit to some of these companies and see how their process works from start to finish. A lot of really interesting places here. I've done that with a few myself, and I'm usually blown away by actually what they're doing in these factories.
If you're a student looking to get into manufacturing, I would just give it a shot, especially if you like working with your hands. There's so many things you can do, and you never know where it's going to take you.